Often transformations start with the delivery teams and not with the leadership. And this is because it's the easy way. I'm sorry, but that's the easy way. What we can do is we can map out working patterns. So we can talk about iterative delivery. We know the ceremonies and how they add value. So we can just basically change the shape and size of a team very quickly. We can get them doing the ceremonies very quickly. We can talk about iterative delivery very quickly. We can modify the build pipeline, the technical side of it very quickly. So it's simple and easy and a known pattern. It doesn't work for the entire organization though. So if you're going to do a transformation, the best way and the most persistent way of the transformation, the changes being embedded, means that you have to come from the top down. In my mind, leadership starts in the boardroom. An organization that isn't aligned in the way of thinking and the way of acting is not going to transform. Often teams love at delivery level the freedom, the autonomy, the mastery, the purpose, to quote Dan Pink, that agility brings them. They really enjoy that. But we don't translate what comes out of the delivery teams into leadership. To help with that, we actually have to start with leadership. We've got to start with the why and bed that in to the delivery teams. So everyone is aligned around strategy and value and behaviours. The other key thing around agility is not what you do or how you do it, it's why you do it. And the foundation of agility is the values. And the values of an organization, the culture of an organization, comes from the leadership. We must start at the top to have that embodiment and that example setting from the leaders of the type of thinking that we want to see, of the behavior and engagement we want to see, and the cross-functional collaboration we want to see. If the leadership groups cannot align on strategy, if the leadership groups can't align on policy, and if the leadership groups cannot align on value propositions, there is no way that the teams will be able to do that as well. Having a cohesive and shared goal for the organisation that's translated into strategic roadmaps that can then be consumed by each of the teams in a meaningful way is the way that a transformation adds value. When you start at basic delivery practices for an Agile team, we're missing that link, and that is the true transformation that an organisation will go through.